All right, so as we was just telling you, the new kit, or the kit we had coming in extra now for the GoPro Hero 9, actually apparently just arrived as well. So you can see here, let me see if I can get this out while keeping this on camera. You have the, we're gonna get the silicone case here. Take this out. You see there's a little strap for it, a little wrist strap. And there's this is the pass-through battery door for the charger, so that way you can charge it with your battery being on, or your battery cover being on at the same time. That's something that has been like notoriously a hard thing with some of them, is that you have to keep the door open while charging. So if you're doing those long type recording sessions like a lot of us do, so you don't have to remember to change your batteries out, you just want to have it plugged up. Well, this way you can have it closed up, plugged up, all at the same time, fully protected. And then this is a cover right here for the, picked up something off the countertop. This is the cover for the lens as well. And then a little plastic piece in there came with it. And here's the silicone cover that'll just go over the camera. And we'll show you later on how to put that on there. All right, so I pulled a couple more things out the box here. So apparently there's another lens cap in here as well. Now this one doesn't have this little piece on here, which looks like you could tie it in as well, which might be what the extra string here, which is similar to the string on the end of this, which would go through the end here. So it looks like what they've got it set up for is so you can have your wrist strap here, but then you can also set up your own length depending upon what you prefer and tie it down to where your lens cap can be secured. So then you have your lens cap on, and then when you're not, you take it off and you're using it, you can just hang your lens cap there so it's out of the way if you want to have it set up that way. And then here we have a little container that has the protective screens with everything in there that you would need. So this way you can take, and so you've got all your little cleaning wipes that you would need in there. And then here's the little, because there's some for the front lenses and then also for the back lenses as well. Now the kit that she got has got 3 lenses in it each. If I was, or, oh, wait. Hold on. So we've got these 2. Let's see here. So that looks like one. There's one there, one there. Oh, haha. So you've got screen protectors, because this was particularly for the Hero 9. So you've got screen protectors that are for the front, your actual lens, and then your front screen. There are screen protectors for that as well, and then also the back screen. And then you've got a little static cloths in here to help clean everything off. And the stickers that help for picking everything off as well. So we're going to put this away for now. And then when we actually go to put these on, we will show you all how that is done. Stick around.